Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will quickly break down the most important trigonometry formulas: angles, sine, cos and tan. Simple explanation, easy tricks and exam focused shortcuts. Let's start. Today I am going to explain some of the important angles. That are the fixed for your exams, and that values you should remember. Okay, formulas in the sense these are the values only. First here it will be there in the angles. Then we are going to find out sine, cos, then tan. For the angles we are taking a 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are the fixed angles. For this, what is the value for the sine 30 degree? In the sense 1 by 2, and cos 30 degree will be, you should remember this formula while solving the any kind of formula. In the formula solving you will get a tan 30 degree. That time if you remember this one, you will directly write the answer 1 by root 3. Next, sine 45 degree value will be root 2 divided by 2. Sine cos 45 degree root 2 divided by 2, and tan 45 degree will be 1. Sine 60 degree root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Tan 60 degree will be root 3 by 1. Then sine 90 degree 1. Cos 90 degree 0. Tan 90 degree will be the minus 1. These all are the fixed value for the sine, cos and tan for the degree: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These values will be fixed. Based on this, we are going to solve the one problem, that is in the question paper. This is a very much important question. If you solve this question, this is a very much helpful for you people to pass the exam. Okay, first value is, we are going to find out sine minus 840 degree value. What is the sine of minus 840 degree value? How much the value? Okay, I am going to explain step by step. First, step 1. Okay, already in the previous video I explained regarding the quadrant. Here it will be the 90, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. I explained you through the how it will be the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. If you want to understand how the quadrant value, please watch the previous video. Okay, in the step 1 we are going to add, for the step 1, add 360 repeatedly until the angle is easy to handle. We should going to add the 360 for the degree. First value will be the sine minus 840 value will be there. For this one we are going to add the 360. So minus 840, there will be the form. Now we got the minus 840. There will be the formula sine of minus theta is equal to minus of sine theta. Okay, for the same value, our formula is, now we have a value of sine of minus 840. Then it will be indirectly converted as minus sine theta. Now it becomes 840 minus 840 plus 360. We will minus it one, we will get a minus 480. Next, minus 840. Again we should take a, not 840, we should take here 480. We got as a minus sign only, no, it is a big number. So minus 840, again you have to plus with how much? 360. 120. Now it is a lesser than 360. So we got now how it is. Sine of minus theta value will be the 120 is equal to minus of sine theta. We will convert here. Okay, first is 360. We have taken Next, for this near value is 180 or 270. 180 is the near value for the 120. So sine minus 120 degree is equal to minus sine of 120 degree. So this is about the step 2. Next we will go through the step 3. Here we are going to find out how the value will be there. First we will take out sine. I told now we should leave the 360. Now we should take a 180. 180 minus theta. How much the value for the theta here? Theta value will be 180. Next, sine of 180 degree minus 120 degree. How much the value? Sine 60 degree. I told you previously these are the angles you should remember. So here we will get a value. Now we got sine 60 degree. How we should find out what is the value? Check the table. The sine 60 degree value will be the root 3 by 2. If you want to calculate this one, this is can be calculated by the scientific calculator as well as better way you should remember those 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree angle. That time it will be very helpful to find out direct value for the sine 60 degree. This is how it will carry the 5 marks. So this is very important concept in trigonometry. Thank you. The same problem we'll find out another one with the same steps only. We are going to find out sine of 1140 degree. What is the value now? What is the sine of 1140 degree? Value is how much? I told you previously we are going to add it by the 360. That time the number is small. This time the 1140 is 40 is a number is bigger. So we are going to check with the 360 whether this number is divisible by 360. Yes, if it is divisible by 360, then how much it will be? 360 into 3. Then it will be 1080. Then same here like that. 360 divided by 1140. 363 is 1080. So here you do the minus 14 minus 8, 6. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. We got how much? 60. What is this 60? Sine of, indirectly we will paste here. Sine of 60 degree is equal to, what is the value? That's why I told you to remember always that is a 4 table. That will get a direct answer as root 3 by 2. This is so simple. Once we understand how we should, which number we should take for what step, that you should know first only. See, for the number is 1140. So we are going to take a 360 and we are going to divide by it, and we got a 60. Then sine of 60 already the value will be 6. That is the answer will be root 3 by 2. Okay, we will go through the another problem with respect to tan value. Okay, next problem will be the tan of minus 1125 degree. How much the value will get? Okay, you should keep in your mind one formula. Tan of minus theta is always equal to tan theta. Understood? This problem, this formula will be the very much important, while tan in the bracket minus value will be there. No, that time that minus value will be togetherly tan for theta. It will take minus tan theta. Understand? Next, tan of minus 1125. I told the value will be changed. Now 1 by 5 plus here, because tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan of theta. Theta value will be the now plus theta value always will becomes to the 1125 is a theta value. Okay, which value it is near? 360. Okay, minus with the 360 we will get as, if you want to do the division also, division is also well and good. If you comfortable with subtraction, it is also good. You will get anyhow same answer only. Tan of 1125 minus 360 will be answer will be 765. Again it is a possible to differentiate from the 360. Okay, next value will be the 405 minus 360. Okay, next value will be the 405 minus 360. We will get as a 45 degree. So what is the value for the tan 45? Tan 45 degree value is equal to how much? 1.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.